Hi, this is Coffee Programmer. Actually, this video made several years ago, like 7 years, and in this video, I'm going to discuss about insert data to a text file in Java jframe form using Netbeans. Here, let's get started. This is the Netbeans IDE. Remember, sometimes you may feel that the language I'm using is very bad, or otherwise the voice is low, but that was past. Let listen.
Uh, Hello guys. Now I'm going to explain you how to save uh, data into text file using Java. We need to create a new project. uh, Java application. Don't create main class. uh, Save application name is save data to txt file. Finish. Click source package. uh, we need a new jframe form. Create main class. Main. Finish. Okay. Yes. Oh, need to fix it. I'm sorry. Okay. We need that one, two, three labels. First one is ID. Edit text. ID. Name is name. Last one is age. Oh, chain text age. Okay. Text field 1, 2, 3. Change ID text. Fix this. Also change this. Fix it. Change this. Fix it. Change ID. Variable name is ID text. Name text. Age text. Add button. Edit text. Insert data. Okay. Double click button. We need to create a string id equals id text dot text get text to string, also string name text dot get text to string. Nice. Last one is string age age text dot get text to string. Nice. Create try catch method. Try. We need create error message. J option plain dot show message dialog. Oh, error. Oh, file writer. We need fix it with click alt and enter. Writer new file writer. Oh, file name is what? Datas dot no Ashane dot txt and true. Nice. Writer dot write. Oh, id and writer dot write. Oh, name and writer dot write age and success message. The option pane dot show message dialog. Success. 1 2 3 4 machine 17 success. Done. And let's check this. Oh, RAM files. Where is location? What is name? Save data to. Here is. Oh, something went wrong. Writer dot class 1 2 3 4 17 done. Let's fix this. Oh, writer dot write system dot get property line separator separator. Oh, like done. Let's try again. 1 0 0 Ashane Shankar 17 success. Oh, oh, nice. In next video we are going to find how to read this text. Thanks for watching, guys.
Alright, you see the context. Actually, I made that video when I was 17 years old. Now I am 33 years old. Okay. Alright, this is my new YouTube channel. I deleted my previous channel and uploaded those previous videos into my new channel. Alright, uh, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will bring you more videos like this.